Right, so after you've gone through and decompressed the file that's available, should be available on the same page as this video, you'll have all of these different JPEGs. You can just select all of them. I clicked and dragged down to do that. And then if you just drag them down to the Photoshop icon, it'll open all of those up for you. All right, and so what we want to do is we're going to click here on our Desk and Tools 01. And if we go to Window, Arrange, we're going to do this 2 up horizontal. By default, it's going to send the hair, so we're just going to switch these. I'm going to drag my tools down here because we'll be using this all the time, and I'll drag the hair all the way up here. All right. And now we're just going to go through and we're going to learn a little bit about selections. Now, selections are important because they're the thing that's going to basically, you need to let Photoshop and the computer know what you want to use and what you want to do something to before you do it. So we kind of know if we're going to draw something, we choose to pick a pencil, we choose the paper to draw on. We all do all that unconsciously. Computers are stupid. You'll hear me say that a lot. So you need to tell them what you want. And we've got a lot of different ways of doing that. And to do that, we're going to build an alien. So I'm just clicking here on this little arrow thing to go to my first one, the specimen tray. So first thing we're going to do, and I'm going to use a lot of keyboard shortcuts. I think that they make you a lot faster and better at this. It's a little bit slower to learn at first, but it'll speed you up greatly. So one of the first keyboard shortcuts I want you to learn is to hold down Command and then minus or plus to zoom in and out. And then if you're on a PC, this would be Control. And throughout, when I say Command on the Mac, I mean Control on a PC. If I say Option on a Mac, I mean Alt on a PC. And I think that you guys can do that in your head. All right, so what we're going to be doing is using the selection tools. They're at the very beginning of the toolbar over here. And we're going to use this one of the oldest and kind of most simplistic, which is the rectangular marquee tool. There's an M by this, which means that all you have to do is press M and you can automatically get to that. The marquee tool is great if you need to get something square and just select that, get nice crisp edges. This is square, so we're going to do it. What we're going to do is just basically line up that crosshair so that it's right on the corner, one of the corners of this. Click and drag down till I get to the other corner. And then I've got it selected. These little dots that are going around are called marching ants. That is the official terminology for them. So make sure that they are marching around what you want. And then I'm going to go to Edit, Copy, come down here because I need to select the place that I want to paste it to, and then Edit, Paste, just like you would do in a word processing program. Now I need to move this. The Move tool is right up here, and if we drag over here, you can see that V is the keyboard shortcut for that. And I'm just going to move this so that it just lines up perfectly over top of that dotted line. All right, I don't need this anymore, so I'm just going to click on the little X to get rid of it.